Hi, I'm Chris from needlepointers.com. Today, I'm sharing an update on the little free library refresh I did a year ago. The Rust-Oleum paint I used to update the library weathered really well over the past year. The paint still looks as nice as when I painted it last year. Unfortunately, the vinyl stickers I applied did not hold up. The printing on the stickers faded in the intense sun and started peeling off, and the clear coat sealant didn't help. Well, this is a learning experience, and I've tried something new this year. To prepare for the new decorations, I peeled off all of the stickers as best I could. You can probably see some outlines left, but I'm okay with that. Next, I purchased premium outdoor vinyl, Oracal 651. It's a glossy vinyl that should withstand outdoor use. I found a pack of 24 colors in 12 by 12 inch sheets on Amazon. Outdoor vinyl is rated to last 4+ years outside. I decided to use flowers and bee decorations since we have honey beehives in our backyard. I searched the internet for cute bee sayings. I ended up picking a collection of bee sayings available inside Cricut Design Space. Since I have a membership, the graphics are free. If you don't have a membership, you can purchase them for a small cost. Since my library is painted dark green, I added a white circle behind each bee so they would stand out. Each section of the design is cut out from the vinyl using a Cricut cutting machine. I then put the layers together using transfer tape. I also found the cute wildflowers design inside Cricut Design Space. The wildflowers are a much more delicate design, so I'm not as confident they will hold up throughout the summer. I would change a couple things with the wildflowers. I would use a lighter color for the stems and add a background vinyl behind all of the flowers, similar to how I did the bees. I could have used a dark green vinyl for the background so it would blend in. I think the background vinyl would adhere to the library easier than all of the small pieces of flowers. I also believe the flowers would adhere better to the vinyl. So I will see if it holds up throughout the summer and next winter and update you. If you'd like to learn more about this project, click on the link in the description to visit our website. On that page, I'll have links to my Cricut projects so you can open them and more information on how I put the vinyl decals together. What do you think of my updated look of my little free library? Comment below and let me know. I also created these cute bookmarks to give away in the library. The bookmarks have the same sayings as the library. Like and share our videos, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of tutorials and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy crafting!